You know what's happening?
Yeah.
We're tearing down a wall.
Yeah.
Okay, Gorbachev. Get at it. Alright, Sir Sucks-a-Lot, or whatever the f your name was.
Sir Uxalot, thank you.
Sir Uxalot. What do we gotta do first?
We have to cut away from the studs.
Wrong.
We have to measure.
Wrong.
We have to
Wrong.
Look. We have to.
We have to take that electrical thing out first.
Did you turn it off?
Why the hell would I turn it off?
Okay. Yeah, that's why you want to pry bar.
No. I want pry bar for... You'll find it.
Taking the nails out? Yeah. Breaking into a car.
Well, that's why I don't have one, so you can't break into my car.
I know where your keys are.
Where?
In your pocket.
Yep, that's why I'm not afraid. Because you don't know what shit is.
So this is recording? Is it? That's good.
Here, you get that one out.
Okay. Oh shit, yeah. Oh. Fine.
You broke my pair of pliers, didn't you?
No, they're the strongest part of the situation. No, I have to staple sleeve the wall though. The fun part?
You want to do this?
No.
Why?
Because I don't know how far down you want to cut. Plus, I wouldn't have inspected if there's nails where I was going.
Jesus.
Oh my God, humanity!
Good job, you.
That's what I'm here for, man. No walls will hold us together! That we can save.
Is your thing,
What?
try not to.
That was clean cut. I wanted you to actually push on that, just make it fall off soon.
Oh, I couldn't.
Yeah.
I thought the whole point was to make you look like an idiot.
I mean, that's what I'm here for. You'll break on my wall. I try to make pool dinner, you break on my wall. Sawdust everywhere.
No. What?
Dude, do you want to do a line of sawdust? I got something to say at the end of this. Before you stop this.
Watch my what?
Where's your battery charger for your drill?
What?
Where's the battery charger for your drill? Is it? No.
What are you doing?
You want an explanation?
Oh, no.
Okay. Yeah, it is sturdy. It's a very good wall. Yes.
You think so?
Yeah, I like how each brick is centered upon 2 other bricks. It's a very nice pattern. Very sturdy. I could be in here for hours.
That's it. The wall's done. You want to tear all these staples?
Yeah. What do we have to do, John?
Tear all these staples.
Well, that was a good day to help you. We should have did that before we swept. We should really have 2 sets of pliers. You should wait till I get pliers to help you.
Are you trying to come up with excuses?
Yes.
Magic of video.
Whoever shall this be? Hello? 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 Did you fucking hang up on me? Call my phone and hang up. I don't know who you are. I will find you. I will track you on Google and I will destroy you.
Don't look up too much of it, dude.
What?
I said don't look up too
Ah! Ah!
That's why you're supposed to wear safety glasses.
Alright, I personally hate safety glasses. I will wear them for certain jobs because, you know, it's dumb. Like paintball, not to wear safety glasses. Oh, I break at your wall. I break at your wall.
That's the ceiling.
Damn it. I break at your Siri. I talk to Siri now. I can't because you break at my Siri. You're not gonna have very many followers. You're gonna be like, these guys are so racist. My girlfriend's black, okay?
Everybody's a little bit racist.
Girlfriend's totally
And
black.
she's totally not black.
I was trying to. You're right. She's not. Chelsea, I'm sorry. Hey, it's just supposed to be a
What happens if she
It's a
says this?
humanitarian stunt for the YouTube channel. Where's this? You can have the ceremonial last.
Okay, we're done.
Okay.
So if you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more, make sure you like this video, share it on all of your media platforms, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, all that stuff, Twitter. Make sure you subscribe, go to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and tune in next weekend where I'll be releasing another video. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Good night and Godspeed.